Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now, let's continue with the reset. So let's open the watch app on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. And in the app, you should see the device page for your Apple Watch. Now, scroll down through the page, find the general option and tap on it. Then scroll down and find the option called reset. It's at the bottom. Tap on the reset option, and here find the option called erase Apple Watch content and settings. Tap on it. Tap on the erase all content and settings, and then tap on it again to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though that performing factory reset will remove all of your personal data and settings from your watch. Now let's tap on the erase all content and settings to confirm. Sometimes you will need to enter the Apple ID password to confirm, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap on erase right here in the top right corner, and the resetting process should begin. As you can see, it's starting, and now let's wait until it's done. And once you see the welcome message on the screen that's telling you to bring the iPhone close to your watch, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.